it's Ty and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be running a few errands and going out to eat. First, I started by getting my car cleaned and vacuumed because it was just getting too dirty and I need to get that cleaned ASAP. After I was done cleaning my car, I went over to Dollar Tree to get a couple art supplies so I can do a DIY picture canvas. And I had to go to Hobby Lobby as well to get the foam board that I wanted. And I got distracted by seeing Stitch and the Christmas things. Do y'all want to see more like decorating content? Because I want to decorate my house and my suite. So if you want to see that, let me know. I finally found the foam boards that I wanted. I got a 24 by 30 if I'm not mistaken. After I left Hobby Lobby, I had to go to Walgreens to get me some more bubble bath. I really love Dr. Teal's, and I had to also pick up my picture that I ordered off of line to put on top of my canvas. After that, I went out to eat at Capital City Grill, and I would rate my food and experience like a 7.5 out of 10. And that was basically how I spent my day. I'll see y'all in the next video.